Meaning of George Formby.
George Formby.
George Formby.
George Formby.
George Formby. George Formby was a British entertainer and comedian who rose to fame in the 1930s and 1940s with his unique style of music, which combined comedy, ukulele playing, and a distinctive Lancashire accent. He starred in numerous films and recorded over 200 songs, many of which were comedic in nature and focused on everyday life and working-class communities. Formby's popularity endured even after his death in 1961, and he is often remembered as a cultural icon of pre-World War II Britain. His influence can still be seen in popular culture today, with references to him appearing in TV shows, films, and other media.